How is your game design going? Is it almost ready? Great. Now you just need a great logo to show it to the people. And this is what we will do in this course. During the course, we will create 7 different logos. We will grow from simple to more complex, from easy logical game logos and racing logos to more complex fantasy and horror game logos. I will show you all the details and all the little tricks I use in Inkscape and during logo design. And not just that, I will share my proven logo design process from sketch to final logo. And I will show you how to create those logos and your ideas in Inkscape, this awesome free program. You can follow step by step how I draw everything, how I put everything together to create the best logos for your games. My name is István Szép. I'm a graphic designer for more than 10 years. I create logos, illustrations and game art, and I'm happy to say I'm an indie developer as yourself. Join me and let's create some amazing logos together.